ArtJunkie. I am here on doing 4th Art Saturday video hop. And that's put on by Meri at the Meri Atelier. And there are a series of individuals who are doing videos for this hop. Very fun and entertaining and talented individuals. I'll have the list of the link in my information section where you can follow the different video presentations by the various crafters and artists, and you can just go down one after the other and watch the hop. It's not a big hop, but it's not a small hop. It's just perfect. Today in March, the theme is buttoned up. So what I did was I took out my buttons. There's some buttons in here. And I have some buttons in here. And some buttons in here. A lot of different buttons. All kinds of buttons. Buttons. Who's got buttons? Now, the majority of what I use buttons for is to make snippets and things. I might put a button here, like for decorations on a journal or something. That's flowers. You know, I'd use buttons for various things. But what I did today, I had a live, and I cut a bunch of, put some flowers. I made some of these during my live, and I got some fabric slips pieces from the lovely Beck's Creations. So I took some of these out. So I'm going to make some snippet rolls with this stuff. And I usually end it with a button, and I tie it with some of this fabric thread. Here's my needles that I'm going to use to sew the buttons on. So that's what we're going to do. We have some more pieces here that I can use. Some of that. Got some papers. There we are. So we're gonna, I'm gonna take some of this stuff out and make some snippets. Some of this out, and we're gonna make some fun pieces. So I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna fast forward and put some music on and make some goodies for you. I hope you enjoy. guys enjoyed that button up piece of what you can do with your buttons and your scraps. Make some fun things for them, put them on your cards, put them on your ATCs, put them on your tags, put them on whatever you'd like. So I hope you guys continue on in the hop and view the next video and the next one after that. Take care, guys. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.